Okay, you guys, we're now going to look at exercise 4-12 on page 227. And here we're going to calculate the cost of a job. Direct materials and direct labor are given, the amounts there, but we're going to use activity-based costing to assign overhead. Now, activity-based costing tries to allocate overhead to a job based on the components of that job that are driving overhead. So let's read through it. Job 19AB required $10,000 for direct materials. Okay, let's go ahead and put that in. We're trying to determine the cost of the job. Direct materials, of course, will be one component along with direct labor and factory overhead, of course. So we have $10,000 for direct materials. Okay, then direct labor is $4,000. And then we have factory overhead. But here we have a few categories. Okay, notice they're going to tell us that there were 300 direct labor hours used on job 19AB, 150 machine hours, 3 setups, and 5 design changes. Alright, the cost pools and overhead rate for each pool follow. Okay, direct labor support is the cost pool. And the overhead rate there is $10 per direct labor hour. We'll go here. Direct labor support. And that could be cleanup, maintenance, lots of things there on direct labor support. It's $10 per direct labor hour. Well, we had 300 direct labor hours. Times $10 per hour. And direct labor support is $3,000. Then we have machining support. Okay, there. That could be like maintenance on the machinery. It's $15 per machine hour. We had 150 machine hours. Times that $15 per machine hour. Gets us $2,250 there. Okay, then we have machine setups. $350 per setup. Only 3 setups though. Times $350 each. That's changing out the layout of the department to produce a certain unit, or layout of the whole facility to produce a certain unit. You know, for instance, a furniture manufacturer may produce tables and chairs, so they'd have to set up the equipment differently to produce chairs than it would be set up to produce tables. And that changing the setup of the factory over to produce one product as opposed to the other is what they're talking about here with the machine setups. Okay, and then design changes. $700 per design change. Okay, how many of those did we have? 5 design changes. Times $700 per design change. Alright, so if we add all these together, that'd get us total overhead. But we really don't need that calculated separately. We're just going to say total cost of the complete job. And sum everything in this column. Our direct materials, direct labor, and all 4 of the factory overhead costs. So we get a total cost of the complete job $23,800, and that's for job 19AB. You guys, after watching this video and working this one along with me, you shouldn't have any trouble with your next homework problem. It's very similar, and that's exercise 4-11. Okay, thanks.